Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Binance to your UAE bank account in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Binance application and then log in into your account. Over here, once you are inside your Binance app, simply tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then tap on the Funding tab here in the top. Over here, tap on the transfer option and select the option of spot here in the top, and in the two it should be funding. Now tap on this drop down menu in order to select USDT here. Then tap on the max option, or you can also enter the amount of USDT that you want to get into your funding account, and tap on this confirm transfer option. So we are doing this step because we want our USDT to come from the spot wallet to our funding wallet so that we could further sell it and get the money in our UAE bank account. So once this step is done, you need to come back here on the home page, then tap on the more option, then go to P2P. Over here, once you are on the P2P page, simply tap on this top right hand corner of the screen section where you will be able to see your default currencies and bunch of other currencies. You need to make sure that AED, which is UAE dirham, is selected here. So once it is selected here, it is going to basically show you all of the merchants to whom you can basically sell your USDT and get the money in your UAE bank account. So you can select any one of these that is giving you the best pricing. Then tap on the sell option right next to their profile. Over here, enter the amount of USDT that you want to sell and tap on this select payment method option. Over here, select your payment method like your bank account. It can be any of the bank accounts that is given in the list like NBD Bank or Abu Dhabi Bank. You can also tap on this drop down menu in order to just take a look at your previously added bank accounts and payment methods. After selecting it, simply tap on this place order option here in the bottom and wait for some time until you receive the money in your account. Once you receive that, you need to select the option of payment received in order to release the crypto, and now never release it before confirming the deposit. If you're withdrawing a large amount, you can split it into the smaller orders with different buyers for more safety. So that's how you can withdraw money from Binance to your UAE bank account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching.